Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to set Google as homepage on your Microsoft Edge browser. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to set your Google website as your Microsoft homepage on your Microsoft Edge browser, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Edge browser. In top right side corner you will find three dot, click on that, then click on settings. In left side you will find start, home and new tabs, click on that. Here you can see open this page. Maybe in your browser it will be selected as open the new tab. You have to just select open new page and click on add a new page. Then type here www.google.com. Then click on add. You can see added as google.com. Just click on this three dot if you want to change. In my case already I have been saved as Google my homepage. Suppose if you want to delete, you can just select this three dot and click on delete. That's it guys. So in this way you can set Google web page as your home page. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.